Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a new user on your MacBook. It's super quick and really easy. First, click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen, then choose System Settings. Scroll down, find Users and Groups, and hit Add User. If it asks for your password, just type in your Mac login password. Now, you'll see a setup window. Under New Account, pick what type you want. Administrator, full control, can install apps, change system settings, and manage other accounts. Standard, great for everyday use, but can't change important settings or install apps for everyone. Sharing-only users can access shared files remotely, but can't log into the computer or change settings. Next, type the full name. The account name will autofill, but you can edit it if you want. Set a password, at least 4 characters, confirm it, and add a password hint if you'd like. When you're ready, click Create User. Restart your Mac, and you can log in with a new account right from the login screen. And that's it. You've just added a new user in minutes. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching.